The mega earthquake of April 25, 2015 caused great destruction in Dolakha district. Moreover, the aftershock on the May 12 left Dolakha devastated. Rescue efforts and relief distribution to rehabilitate people traumatized by this unimaginable human and physical devastation started coming at a great pace. There was a need to build strong permanent houses to people that were barely living in makeshift tents. Similarly, bringing happiness to people traumatized by the earthquake and ensuring their livelihood was another important task at hand. Male members of village started heading out for employment. This caused depletion in agricultural output. Arable land were left barren. A special program was needed to face this circumstance and to ensure livelihood to earthquake survivors staying back in the villages. To address this need, Rural Reconstruction Nepal started collaboration with a German organization named Bread for the World. Community initiatives for livelihoods and rehabilitation in response to earthquake in Nepal 2015. A project being run in settlements of southwestern parts of Dolakha district has done a commendable work in a short period of time.
अब हामीले बिक्री वितरण गर्न नपाउने अब रोडको समस्या अब कहीं बजार व्यवस्थापन गर्न नि गाह्रो अब अहिले हामीले अब थोरै खेती गरेर पनि अब धेरै आम्दानी लिन सक्ने भयो अब संस्थाले अब रोड पनि बनाइदिएको छ माथि सिलिङहरु गरेको छ अब त्यहाँबाट ढुवानी गर्नलाई हाम्रो सजिलो पनि भयो.
A task has hence been undertaken to transform sustenance-based agriculture to a more commercial and entrepreneurial-based one. A positive effect is being noticed in the lifestyle of more than 3,000 families from programs for infrastructure development, animal husbandry and employment generation. The 6 villages Poch, Lakuri, Pusafeda, Katakuti and Magapawa is home to various indigenous communities facing the vicious cycle of poverty. All the families in these villages have lost their home to the earthquake. The people of these villages were compelled to live in makeshift tents. Taking note of this situation, the project has aspired to help them build a strong private house. Now new houses are being built on everyday basis. People are seen building their houses with great joy. The newly built houses have changed the face of the village. The improvement made to the road condition and addition of more road linkages have helped the construction of the houses a great deal. The roads linking the village were in operation for only 3 months in a year, even till the year 2016. The volunteers brought the community together and helped improve the condition of the road by using cobblestone and flattening the path of the road. The improved rural roads have brought district headquarters Charikot closer. The locals believe that the roads will be pivotal in increasing both income and pace of the development activities.
अहिले धेरै सजिलो सुविस्ता भएछ सर अहिले
केले गर्दा यस्तो सुविस्ता भएको
यो बाटोले नि सर अहिले बाटो आएको छ बाटोले गर्दा हामीलाई राम्रो भएको छ.
The first task under the project was to upgrade and mend the roads. The roads then came into all year-round operation. The task of carrying people on back on bamboo baskets was full of hassles. The schools were being run in makeshift tents after their buildings were destroyed in the earthquake. The project is constructing new buildings in place of the temporary learning center. The children will get to continue their studies without any hassles once the buildings are constructed.
यो विद्यालय अहिले बन्ने चरणमा छ। हामी एउटा चाहिँ मर्मत गर्दैछौँ उतापट्टि पल्लो आरएनको सहयोगमा छाना फेर्नी र अरू पनि काम गर्दैछौँ।
The erstwhile Boch Village Development Committee, now Bhimeshwar Municipality Ward 8, has immense possibilities for vegetable farming, horticulture and animal husbandry. The locals share a bitter experience of the vegetables rotting in the farm due to the lack of transport facilities, especially during the rainy season. With the betterment of road, the farmers are finding it easy to bring potatoes and other agricultural products to the marketplace and sell them. The locals are seeing great possibilities of generating income through vegetables and other cash crops, especially with the all-year-round road and transport facilities. Potato farming is good in all villages under the program. The demand and price are also very good, but there was no proper refrigeration facilities for the storage of the seeds. To address this issue, the project is building a refrigeration house. The farmers have also been imparted knowledge regarding storage and refrigeration. This will ensure protection of quality seeds and motivate the farmers for commercial potato farming. More than 9,000 saplings of large cardamom are growing in Chitra Bahadur Karki's garden in Katakuti village.
आय आर्जनको लागि चाहिँ अति उत्तम हुनेरहेछ भनेर त्यस्तो ठहर गरेको छु मैले।
He started commercial farming of large cardamom after receiving both inspiration and assistance from RRN.
यो अलैँची खेतीको लागि चाहिँ अति नै चाहिँ परिश्रम गर्न पर्ने रहेछ र अनि चाहिँ एकदम चाहिँ सधैँ फुर्सदिलो पनि हुन पर्ने छ हामी।
Karki's hard work is already paying off. Story of Indra Bahadur Kesi is also very interesting. He started commercial farming after retiring from 27 years of military service.
अलिकति यस्तो खेतीहरु गरे पनि सधैँ विदेशमा भर्न पर्ने आफ्नो ठाउँमा के गर्न सकिन्छ है भन्ने एउटा प्रेरणा दिन पनि मैले खेती सुरु गरेको। फोहोर भजी रोग लाग्ने हो अब अलिकति भाइले पनि छैन। अब तपाईको आरएले कति रोप्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईहरु भने उहाँले डिमान्ड गर्नु भएको थियो। कति रोप्नु हाम्रो क्षमता छ कतिसम्म जग्गा छ भने कसैले 1000 कहिले 1500 कहिले 2000 रुपैयाँ मैले करिब आरएनको 25000 बिरुवा रोपे। हामीले यही बिरुवा तपाईँको 15-18 सम्म पनि हामीले किनेर लायौँ तर आरएनले तपाईँ हाम्रो शुद्ध 2 रुपैयाँमा यहाँ हाम्रो घर हाम्रो आफ्नो बगानमै ल्याएर ठुलो सहयोग गरेको छ तपाईँ यो साह्रै ठुलो गुण लाग्छ आरएनले।
RRN support has brought big change in the life of Binda Kesi, who did not even knew about large cardamom plant before.
यो भन्दा अगाडि हामीले अब अलैँचीको थुङ्गो त देखाएको थिएन कस्तो हुन्छ भन्ने थाहा थिएन। अहिले अब हामीलाई अलैँची झिक्न सिकाउनु भयो अलैँची रोप्न सिकाउनु भयो गोडमेल गर्न उहाँहरुबाटै हामीले धेरै सिक्यौं। उहाँहरुले नै हामीलाई अब महिलालाई जीविकोपार्जन अब यसो गर्न सिकाइदिनु भयो। पहिला त अब हामी त्यही मकै कोदो रोप्ने अरूको अब ज्यालादारीमा काम गर्ने हामी त्यस्तै त थियौं नि।
400 people like Chitra Bahadur, Binda and Indra Bahadur of this village are now involved in large cardamom farming.
पानीको अभावले यसरी बाँझो बसिरहेको छ।
Irrigation facility is another important aspect to inject hope. Farmers could not produce more when they had to rely on rainwater. They had to face severe irrigation problems. RRN has helped to initiate serious effort to transform small farmers as professionals in such desperate situation.
लसुन अलिकति, प्याज अलिकति, आलु अलिकति रोप्दै गर्थे। त्यसलाई बेचबिखनको रूपमा लाँदैन्थे। अब सिँचाइ आइसकेपछि चाहिँ सबैले उत्सुकता छ। अब चाहिँ हामी तरकारी खेती गर्नुपर्छ, नगदे बाली गर्नुपर्छ। यहाँको उपभोक्ताहरूले यसलाई प्रयोगमा ल्याएर यसबाट आय आम्दानी निकालेर जीविका पार्जन गर्ने भनेको अब हामी किसानहरुको।
Irrigation facilities for the vegetable farming are being constructed by harvesting rainwater even in places lacking regular supply of water.
दोलखा
People of the local community are being gathered with the aim of building a big pond here for distributing water in farms all over. A local farmer donated his farmland for the ponds.
सिँचाइ लिउँ भनेर आरआरएनले एउटा भनौँ संस्थाले सहयोग गरिदियो। अब उनले अब दिउँ त भनेर यहाँ दिएको हुनाले अब सुक्खा भएको हुनाले सानो टुक्रा दिँदाखेरि सबैलाई भन्नु फाइदा हुन्छ सुविधा हुन्छ गरी खान्छन् भन्दैन मेरो एउटा टुक्रा दिँदा के हुन्छ र भने अनि मैले आफ्नो खुसी राजीले दिएको।
The villagers are preparing to cultivate their barren land after getting irrigation facilities. Farmers have started showing their interest in kiwi farming, which can make good profit from the barren lands and is nutritious health-wise.
किवीबाट राम्रै फल फल्छ रे अब बेच्दाखेरि पनि उ हुने अब आफ्नो स्वास्थ्यलाई नि फाइदा हुने भनेर भने अनि
200 saplings of kiwi are growing in the land of a local farmer Rama Kharka. The water will reach the kiwi saplings from the irrigation pond by drop irrigation mechanism. Not only Rama, Dilbahadur's rest of Lakuri village has also planted almost 300 saplings of kiwi.
पहिला त त्यति नै 10 झाङमा आएको मैले पनि हैन त्यहाँबाट माग्दाखेरि फेरि पछि पनि अब अलिकति त्यसको बोट माथि हेरेको अलिकति फुल खेलेको देखे के मैले त्यहाँबाट 80 झाङ मागे त्यहाँबाट आइरे तपाईको त्यो 80 झाङमा पनि भर्खर यत्रो भयो त्यहाँबाट आइरे 200 झाङमा आछ फेरि 200 झाङ लगाइसके।
In this way, the village is witnessing a new awakening. According to statistics, only 20% people of this region can ensure yearly survival through traditional farming. Other 80% will have to find better alternatives. This is why people leave their farms barren and head out to cities for employment. Chairman of Creative Farmers Group Katakuti, Dilbahadur Tamang has become a source of inspiration in his village. Dilbahadur came back from Malaysia after 8 years. He had the duty to reconstruct his house destroyed by the earthquake. He left the thoughts of returning back to Malaysia after seeing the pain and sorrow of the villagers devastated by the earthquake. Just when he was thinking of doing something in his own village, Araran arrived like a boon from the heavens.
कृषि क्षेत्रले चाहिँ केही गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने तरिकाले उहाँहरू आइसकेपछि र उहाँहरूको कुराहरू सबै सुनिसकेपछि त्यो अनुसार मेरो विचार चाहिँ परिणत भइसकेपछि कम्तीमा अब यो तरिकाले नै गर्न सकिन्छ भन्दै किन घर परिवार पनि माया मार्ने परिवार माया मार्नु पर्यो देश पनि माया मारेर तपाईको अर्काको देशमा गएर हैन त्यो तरिकाले पसिनाहरू बगाएर चाहिँ काम गर्नु भन्दा नेपालमा नै केही गर्न सकिन्छ भनेदेखि यही गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने तरिकाले उहाँहरूको साथ र हाम्रो पनि सहभागिता तरिकाले चाहिँ तपाईको हामी अगाडि बढिरहेका छौं।
Coffee plantation has also started in the village. The farmers started coffee plantation after knowing that good income can be generated through it. Farmers knew about this from one of the observation visits organized by Araran. Farmers of every household have planted between 50 to 200 coffee saplings. Suresh Lama, who is a teacher by profession, is also a determined farmer.
Doing by learning भन्छ एउटा शब्द मलाई त्यो आयो किनभने मान्छेले जबसम्म गर्दैन नि क्रियाकलाप गर्दैन तबसम्म सिक्दैन।
He has started a nursery with the aim of producing more than 50,000 coffee saplings.
सबै जग्गाहरु बाँझो छ यो मुनतिर बाँझो छ यो सबै बाँझो छ कतै यो हराभरा बनाएर चाहिँ ल अब यति लियो यसपारा कफी बेचेर यति लियो अलैँची बेचेर यति लियो भन्ने छ।
Farmers' learning centers have been started in all villages under the project. These learning centers are very important for learning how to deal with pests. Farmers say the learning centers have helped them to lessen the adverse effects of chemical fertilizers and pesticides and increase the organic production.
हुन त हामी गाउँ घरमा बस्ने कृषक मान्छे नै हो तर कृषि काम गर्नलाई अलि नजान्ने हुनाले हामीलाई अलिकति गंगा मिस आरा घुमेर चाहिँ अलिकति सहज भएको छ हामीलाई।
फाइदा त अब सबैजना सम्म मिलेर गर्दा थोरैले अब एउटाले गर्दा दुःख हुन्छ सबैजना एकोरा कोदाला खन्दा नि रमाइलो हुन्छ
Farmers say the Farmers Learning Center has informed them about the new ways of eco-friendly farming and how to lessen the adverse effects of chemicals on the soil, water, air and crop-friendly animals and insects. Discussions have also been initiated in the learning centers regarding new ways of potato harvest. The farmers believe problems like rotting will be resolved by the new ways.
यो 16 देखि 18 हप्तासम्म यो पाठशाला चाहिँ सञ्चालन गर्छौं हामी यो थगाम एरिया चाहिँ आलुको पकेट एरिया हो यो एरिया अनि आलुको पकेट एरिया भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ उहाँहरुलाई चाहिँ यो शत्रु किरा मित्र किरा के हो भनेर चिन्न पनि सजिलो हुने भयो यो पाठशालामा आइसकेपछि
हामीले उहिले बाबु बाजी देखि नै हाम्रो त्यही संस्थाले हामी त्यही चरण हामीले पनि अहिले गरिरहेको छ अनि अहिले चाहिँ यो भुइँजल आएपछि चाहिँ मिसहरु आउनु हो अनि उहाँहरुले चाहिँ अब अलिअलि यस्तो सिकाउँदै छ अनि हामीले चाहिँ दुई तरिकाले रोपेको छ हाम्रो उहिलेकै तरिकाले एउटा अनि एउटा ड्याम बनाएर रोपेको छ एउटा
Farmers of Magapawa were disappointed since years because lack of irrigation facilities had prevented them from commercializing their occupation. But now they are enthusiastically volunteering for laying pipes for irrigation. Prospects of reaching farmlands with irrigation, production of cash crops and income generation have rendered Mankumari excited.
पहिला चाहिँ अब हाम्रो पानीको अलि अभाव थियो भने अहिले चाहिँ अब संघ संस्थाले सिँचाइ कुलो अब खानेपानीदेखि लिएर सबै संघ संस्थाले सहयोग गर्यो पहिला त हाम्रो त्यो संघ संस्थाले सहयोग पनि गरेको थिएन अब थोरै मात्रै आफूले खाएको भाँडो मोलेको पानी राखेर भए पनि आफूलाई पुग्ने चाहिँ केही खेती उब्जाएको थियो
पहिला हामी नजुट्नुको कारण चाहिँ के भन्दा हामीलाई कसैले पनि आर्थिक प्राविधिक कुनै पनि सहयोग गर्ने निकाय भएन निकाय नभएको हुनाले अब यतिखेर चाहिँ आरआरएन ग्रामीण पुनर्निर्माण संस्था आरआरएनले चाहिँ हामीलाई आर्थिक भौतिक र अनि प्राविधिक सहयोग दिएको हुनाले उहाँले सहयोग दिनुभयो र हामीले चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ सबैलाई जनसन्धानको रूपमा सबैलाई हामीले समेटेर गरौँ भनेर समूहले निर्णय गरेर अनि हामी यसरी जुट्यौँ
Every village committee takes on different farming profession. Some do vegetable farming, some do kiwi, while others farm ginger. Some also do animal husbandry. Farmers are putting a lot of effort to become commercial.
मैले गोलभेडा काउली उयो बेसारहरु अदहरु आलु अस्ति कति भने कम्तीमा 30,000 को आलु बेचे सर मैले यो टोरेल भन्दा उता
They are learning technology and knowledge from the agriculture technicians who come to their doorsteps.
अब यहाँनिर एउटा नर्सरी स्थापना भयो मानौं सपोज अब यहाँ मानिसकेपछि फलाना ठाउँमा त नर्सरी स्थापना भयो हामीलाई पनि गर्नु पर्यो भनेर चाहिँ कृषि प्राविधिक चाहिँ चाहियो हामीलाई कृषि प्राविधिक आयो भने यतिको चाहिँ फाइदा हुने रहेछ हामीलाई भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ उहाँहरूले चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ कृषि भनेको के हो भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ अलिकति महसुसीकरण गर्नु भएको छ
The technicians are now wooing the community to timely complete their task. They are helping to add modern technologies to the old ways. Suntali Bishwakarma of Boj has planted chili in her nursery. Suntali, who does not have prior knowledge on chili plantation, is being helped by RRN's agro-technicians. As group members are buying her chili saplings for farming, her investment looks risk-free.
यति गर्दा मैले छट्ट छोड्न त मिलेन लाज हुन्छ यो फलानले मै हुँ भन्थे गर्छु भन्थे खै त त्यसै हराएर गयो भन्ने हुन्छ सर जाँगर गरेरै म खेती किसान गरेरै बस हाम्रो दुई जनाको खेती नै यही हो
Along with commercial farming, this project has also initiated animal husbandry for organic fertilizer. The concept of cattle rearing area has been brought to encourage animal husbandry. Better breeds of cows have been provided to the farmers, improving the breed of local cows as well. These cows have been purchased and distributed from the cattle rearing farmers group in collaboration of rural municipality and farmers. One cow gives up to 16 liters of milk.
आरएनएनले अब गाई दिएको छ गाई दिएर अब दुध देख्यो बढी नै देख्यौँ दुध खाडा पनि नसकेनी
Farmers are happier to get cows which give more milk than local cows.
खुसी छ हुने गाई लिएर 18,000 सम्म लिए मैले महिनाको
Local women have played decisive role in buying these cows. The role of women in Nepal's agriculture sector is ever increasing. Even in Dolakha, more than 1/3 families run by a matriarch. Women have been taking responsibility of their families since the male members have been leaving the village for foreign employment. The project has also been giving special priority for women participation and leadership. Special attention is being given to make women self-dependent and professional. Women have also been taking lead in the project's activities.
यदि संस्था यदि नआएको भए यो ठाउँमा भिखारीसम्म हुनेसम्म चाहिँ भएको थियो भनौँ न एउटा कुरा तरकारी खायो भने किन्नै पर्यो जे खायो भने किन्नै पर्थ्यो हैन अहिले त काउलीको बेलामा काउली निस्किन्छ सागको बेलामा साग निस्किन्छ ठुलो कुरा पानी भयो भने त अहिले तरकारी त हाम्रो ठाउँमा त टुट्दैन नि त
The project is active in creating an environment of mutual benefit by facilitating people's participation in cooperatives.
आरएनलाई चाहिँ एउटा यो कृषि उपसङ्कलन केन्द्र बनाइदिनका निम्ति आग्रह गर्यौँ हामीले केही रकम चाहिँ लोकल एन्ड सहकारी संस्थाले पनि यसमा हालेको आरएनबाट पनि केही रकम आएको हिसाबले चाहिँ यो हाम्रो एउटा कृषि उपसङ्कलन केन्द्र बनेको छ यो वडामा पनि अब हामीले उत्पादन गरेका तरकारी जन्य चिजहरू तरकारीहरू चाहिँ हामी बजारसम्म पुर्याउन सक्छौँ यो ठाउँमा कलेक्सन गरेर हामीले बजारसम्म पुर्याउन सक्यौँ भने अब हामी चाहिँ तरकारीहरू यो कृषि उपजहरू चाहिँ अलिकति बढी उत्पादन गर्ने र त्यसलाई नगदे बालीतर्फ व्यवसायिकतर्फ अगाडि बढ्नुपर्छ भन्ने खालको सोच मान्छेहरूले बनाउनु भएको छ
All the tasks being operated here are mandated to be sustainable. That is why the project has been collaborating and coordinating with the local government in all its activities. This program, which targets 3,000 earthquake survivors including women, Dalits and marginalized communities affiliated to 35 cooperatives and 90 groups, has celebrated its second anniversary of operation. During this period, 90 kilometers of dusty roads have also been improved for all-year operation. 24 irrigation projects have reached the final stage of construction. Over 50% women of targeted households have already received the knowledge on how to construct earthquake-resistant houses. Many women are now involved in skilled income-generating works. With projects like Agriculture Feeder Road, Agro Market Building, Agro Product Collection Center and Community Building, RRN is spreading hope and belief to people of erstwhile 6 village development committees of Dolakha district for uplifting their life and livelihoods.